Welcome back. Most B2B SaaS capacity plans are wrong before they start. They count heads instead of capacity. Today, the 5 variables that drive your number. Why gross headcount overstates capacity by up to 55%, and the hiring math that keeps you from missing plan. Every credible plan is built from 5 inputs. 1. Quote per rep by segment. 2. Attainment 70% median. 3. Ramp time 4 months for SMB, up to 18 for strategic. 4. Attrition 22% a year, concentrated in months 6 to 14. 5. Your STR to AE coverage ratio. Here's the formula that matters. Productive capacity equals fully ramped AE count times quote times attainment. Out of 40 AEs, only 28 to 32 are fully ramped. So the wrong math says 30 mid-market reps deliver 30 million. The real math, you need 56 seats at 540,000 effective capacity each, and effective capacity drops as ramp gets longer. SMB reps net about 70% of quote across the team, commercial 67%, enterprise 63%, strategic just 60%. That last column, effective capacity per total AE, is the multiplier you plan against. Use quote instead, and you'll underhire and miss. This is why an enterprise AE produces just 5 to 15% of quote in quarter 1 and doesn't fully ramp until month 10 to 12. In year 1, that rep delivers maybe 675 to 900,000 against a 1.5 million quarter. To have one ramp by October, you hire the prior November. So lead time is everything. Recruiting alone takes 6 to 10 weeks. Open to fully ramped runs 5 months for SMB, up to 20 for strategic. Every Q1 plan has to model Q4 capacity and hire now. And 22% attrition means a 40 rep org needs 9 replacement hires a year before any growth hire. Now, quad setting. A stretch quad of 1.4 million at 60% attainment produces about 840,000 per rep. A realistic 1.15 million at 70% produces 805. Basically the same top line, but the realistic quad ramps easier, recruits easier, and holds attrition down. Stretch quads only pay off for late stage brands, which brings us to the most expensive mistake. Hiring AEs ahead of pipeline. Under-ramped reps with no coverage get frustrated and quit. That's 30 to 50% of growth stage hiring wasted. The fix: gate every AE hire on coverage. Add a rep only at 4x plus qualified pipeline. Capacity and demand are one plan. This is where GrowthSpree is different. Instead of gross headcount times quote, we plan on fully ramped count times quote times attainment. Building hiring backward from a 4-quarter plan, quotas at segment median, ramp model by segment, and hiring gated on coverage, all at $3,000 a month flat, and it shows up in results. Price labs 0.7 to 2.5x ROAS with capacity aligned marketing. Traxi 4x trials at 51% lower cost. Scaling hiring to PQL volume. Rocket Lane 3.4x ROAS and 36% lower cost per demo through coverage gated hiring. Flat $3,000 a month planning and alignment included. To recap, 5 variables drive the plan. Productive capacity equals ramp reps times quote times attainment. Gross headcount overstates by 30 to 55%. Use the productive ratio 60 to 70% as your multiplier. Hire 2 to 4 quarters ahead, and realistic quotas beat stretch quotas on net revenue. If you're hiring to a number your pipeline can't feed, you're burning ramp and reps. Book a free 45-minute audit with GrowthSpree's senior operators. Will surface your top 3 pipeline leaks. $3,000 a month, flat, no lock-in. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.